What's going on, fam? It's your boy Moz, back with another episode of Mozy Reacts. On this episode of Mozy Reacts, I have episode 51 of One Piece. But before I get into today's episode, I did want to give a huge shout out to you guys for taking the time out of your day and watching my reactions. I do truly appreciate it. And if you're new here, definitely consider subscribing and joining the fam and helping the channel grow. And as always, this is not a market substitute. Okay.
彼女の名はカルメン、イーストブルー一の料理人。情熱の女、人は炎のカルメンと呼ぶ。僕は2番弟子のホセ。なんてお美しい。
Like, I mean, I like her hair, but you don't touch. Is it because he was about to kiss her hand, or because he was about to kiss her?
けどカルメンさん、あなたとはどこかでお会いしました。説明をし。
どいつもこいつもコックばかりじゃねえ。
イエース。そいつらはイーストブルーの中でも評判の腕利きばかり。揃いも揃ってカルメン様と勝負して知ってったのだ。
But to have a cooking contest? Okay.
もうこのイーストブルーに私の敵はないと思っていたが、それはお前がまだ海上レストランバラティエにいた頃の特集記事だった。あのコックはそこの副料理長こそがイーストブルー一のコックだと言いよった。私らには
Damn. Kind of disrespectful to Zeph, but
私はお前を探し続けてきた。イーストブルーを隅から隅まで10年間も。
本当は10日間だけどね。カルメン様は物事を。
oh, okay. So she didn't. Those cooks that told her about Sanji weren't from the restaurant. Okay.
今日の午後1時、市場の料理コンテスト会場に来るのだ。そこで必ず私はお前を倒してみせる。よいな。
She a character and a half.
ああ、カルメンさん、なんて情熱的な人だ。
Oh, I think I just saw the panda guy. The Easter egg that you guys be talking about.
しかし船長、なんでまたこんなマント着てなくちゃならないんで？てめえは海賊のイロハも知らねえのかい？この町にはな、スモーカー。
I mean, as soon as I see your red nose, I'm pretty sure I can figure out who you are.
もうみんなおじゃんなんだよ。とにかく。
腹ペコだったんだ俺。
実は俺も腹は減ってたが金がなくてな。お前に会えてよかったぜ。
俺持ってねえぞ。
I was gonna say.
お前持ってねえの？
俺が持ってるわけねえだろか。じゃあここの払いはどうすんだ？
許せねえ。
許してくれねえかな。
許せるわけがね
え。なんだお前おごってくれんのか？悪いな。サンキューな。
What?
今の声は？ああ、あの麦わら野郎でしたよ。
もじもじ。
I was gonna say, like, what just happened right there? I'm so confused. I love how we're about to have a cooking contest with Sanji, and that isn't considered filler, but Usopp having a shooting contest, that is considered filler, according to the One Piece fandom website.
こりゃ最高だ。
ワンちゃん目が利くね。そいつは今朝上がったばかりの金塊者よ。
近海物？
お察しの通り、こいつは本来ウエストブルーでしか取れねえ魚だ。イーストブルーの人間が知らねえのも無理はね。
ウエストブルー？なんでそれが近海物なんだ？
あんちゃん、この町は初めてだな。
Never eat sour wheat. So west, I mean, I guess it could be coastal, right?
イーストブルーはもちろん、他の海の魚が取れることもあるんだ。お、なんか上がったらしいぜ。行ってみっか、あんちゃん。
Yes, I do.
どうしてどうして？お？
Is that like their version of a marlin?
すっげえ、そりゃエレファント本マグロじゃねえか。
Tuna, okay, yeah.
南海の方から紛れ込んできたんだろうが。
見ろよこれ変な魚。
なんだサンジ、食材図鑑なんか引っ張り出して勉強か。
そらエレファント本マグロじゃねえか。俺もまだ本物は拝んだことある。
そりゃそうだ、あれはサウスブルーの魚だからな。このイーストブルーじゃ絶対お目にかかれねえ。オールブルーでもありゃ別だがよ。
どこにあんだそれ。
ほれ見ろ、冗談が通じねえんだから。
嘘だよサンジ、そんなものあるわけね。
I mean, theoretically, I think there could be, like in the Grand Line, right? If there's like east, south, north, and east, they're all gonna have to converge and like sort of like the four states, you know, where they kind of like meet in a center point.
よし、じゃあ運んでくれ。だ、俺に売ってくれ。何？金ならあるぞ。こいつを俺に譲ってくれ。
These are rare fish, Sanji. They ain't just gonna let it up that easy.
ダメダメ。こいつは売り物じゃねえ。今日これから年に一度の料理コンテストが始まるのさ。
Gee, I wonder if he's gonna join now.
こいつはそのコンテストの優勝者に与えられるんだ。なんたってエレファント本マグロだからな。どうしても欲しいんなら出場すればいいさ。あんちゃんもコックなんだろ。
ああ。
向こうで受付してっからよ。もしその気があんだったら手続きしてきな。
よくぞ逃げずに来たねサンジ。だがイーストブルー1の称号
I
は
can't get over your sidekicks. They are creeping me out.
私の真の実力を示してみせる。
ああ、カルメンさん。
I love you, Sanji.
最下位のキスを。
するなー。おいおい、1時2時3時。
Dude, you switch between women so much, Sanji.
しかしなんでまたこんな大会に出てんだよお前。
おお、ウソップ、いたのか。
さあ、いよいよ開幕ね。じゃあよい、スタート。
Isn't there like there's an anime like about cooking, right? Is it sort of similar to like this, like where they have competitions, I guess?
あの魚をさばいてみたくってな。
Oh, he took off the jacket. He's serious.
ずば抜けたセンスと技で危なげなく勝ち上ってきたサンジ。華麗な舞と技で他を圧倒し続けてきたカルメン。栄光のエレファント本マグロを手にするのはどっちなのか。
I love how they both, like, Sanji has a cigarette and she keeps her little spoon in her mouth. Ooh!
乱れない。それどころか見事な包丁さばきだ。黙々としたごしらえを進めていきやすサンジ選手。
Sanji. Huh. I don't know how ladies don't find you more attractive, man. A man in the cook whipping like that.
あるっつったらあるんだよ。
わかってるさ。理屈じゃそんなことはありえないことくらい。ノースブルー、サウスブルー、イーストブルー、ウエストブルー。
See, yes, it could definitely exist right there on the Grand Line, right in that center point.
グランドラインの海流によってクソジジイの言ってた可能性ってのはこのことかもしれねえ。だとしたらやっぱりグランドラインで探すしかねえんだ。
There we go. Look for it in the Grand Line. It'll be there. It might not be an actual sea, but there's going to be some point where all the fish are crossing.
一体エレファント本マグロはどっちの手に。着の時は間もなくだ。決まった。
I love it.
さあそしてカルメン選手こっちも出来上がったようだ
I don't think Sanji's gonna win, because then we'd have to store the fish on the ship and everything, and
優勝者は
so we did win.
いつか勝負したいと思ってた。だから今日まで必死で腕を磨いてきたんだ。お前と対等になりたかったから。だがあの時から10年間お前の夢は変わらない。そんなお前に勝てると思ってた。間抜けな自分が許せない。イーストブルー1のコックはサンジ、お前だ。
And the East Blue, though, I hate that they keep making that known. Like, I obviously get it, but like,
優勝サンジ選手
I didn't think they'd make him winner just because I feel like that's a big fish. Where are we gonna store it? Like, I know where we could store it, but like, we're not ready to get back on the ship yet.
なんだか知らないけど今日は対決だったわね。
なんで俺が重い方なんだよ。
しかしエレファント本マグロか。ああ、早くさばいてみて。
どうしたナミ？
空気が変わった。
空気？
一雨来るわ。
この天気いいのにかよ。
You guys gotta get going.
急ぎましょう。あ、おじい。待てー。
Uh-oh.
待ておじい。
Let me guess, the hat's taking him to the execution platform. I'm so fucking smart sometimes.
よかったおじい。ラッキー。
I mean,
本当か現れたかはいおっしゃった通り広場を見張ってたら手配書の男が今よし
oh, fuck. It could be a 4-way battle instead of a 3-way battle. Oh, God.
これが海賊王の見た景色。そして死んだのか。
Alrighty, well that was it for episode 51 of One Piece, and this episode definitely solidified that I'm going to be reacting to the fillers, just because I don't understand how they consider last episode a filler, but this one not a filler. It just, what, because Sanji talked about his dream about the East Blue, and maybe that's a thing, that's why it's more not fillerish, but Usopp talking about his dad, and that, like, how can you differentiate and tell what about the last episode made me filler? And maybe it's just based on like the filler list you're looking at, but like I said in the last episode, I just typed in One Piece fillers, and it came up with two websites, the anime filler list and then One Piece fandom. One says episode 50 was a filler, one doesn't. And then even to go even further on that, like one says like episode 99 and 98 are fillers, the other one just says episode 99 is a filler. So I'm getting two different mixed signals on what fillers are and what isn't. So at this point, it doesn't even matter to me. I'm just going to react to everything because I'm enjoying it. So why not? As far as this episode is concerned, what was it? Carmen, her sidekicks. Wow. So far, for the most part, we've had character designs where they dress weird and look weird, but those guys' features were weird. Like one dude's head was enormously disproportionate to his body. The other dude had really okay, I guess I was gonna say he had really large nostrils, and I guess Buggy does have a big red nose, but like that's like the one thing where that's supposed to be like the comic because he's a clown, but like everybody else that we've seen, humans look like humans. That guy did. He almost looked like a little mini Titan with the giant big head and the small body. Like, I don't know. And then I'm glad that Sanji won. But they kept making a point about he's only the best in the East Blue. East Blue, East Blue, East Blue. So it just really, they really want to paint that picture of like, hey, other seas, there are gonna be other harder people. And so I like that. I like it, but like, you don't need to say it. Like, just say, oh yeah, he's the best cook. You don't need to say like in the East Blue. I don't know. It's just like, it would be like if you're like, I'm trying to think like an analogy would be like if you're talking about sports and you're like, oh my God, this guy, like, Joe Burrow is the best quarterback in the AFC. Like, bro, why you just say he's the best? If you think he's the best, just say he's the best. You don't need to add that little slight. I don't like that they're adding that little slight in there. I get why they're doing it, to just remind us that there's other strong people out there, but like, if you're gonna compliment Sanji and say he's the best cook, don't be like, you're the best cook. Well, in the East Blue, like, stop that. But other than that, very enjoyable episode. I'm curious though. So what? I'm not curious, but let's see. We had Sanji wrapped up his story. Usopp got his. Nami got hers. Zoro got his sword. So next episode, we should get into an actual like more fighting, right? Because now it should be Luffy's turn for his story for this arc. We'll see. But I appreciate you guys sticking around and watching this reaction. It's been real. It's been fun. It's been hella real fun again. Later on.